Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what I do when I get these inflammation on my face when I've had a particularly long week. I'm going to use my face oil, a little massage tool, and a clean face cloth that I only use for my face so I don't have any irritation. So the first thing you do is grab enough oil for your face and neck. I use about 10 to 12 pumps. Use as little as much as you need. I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck, and I'm going to do about a 10-minute facial massage with just my hands. And this is just to get blood flow going, to get your skin plump, and to start detoxing your face. The next thing I'm going to use is my little massage tool. This is a little massage stone, and all I do is I take that and I massage my face. I go in sections. I'm not doing a special facial massage technique. This is just what's worked for me to help me drain the lymph node on my face and neck and help my face detox naturally, to help calm down these inflammation on my skin, guys. And the great thing about that is you help your body detox from the inside out. I notice whenever I get these inflammation, I detox my face like that by doing a massage. The inflammation calms down and I don't have to go and use any strong acne treatment on my face because I don't have any acne that pops out, and my skin can heal itself. If you notice, guys, I have a lot less hyperpigmentation on my face lately, and my skin is doing better because I treat my acne from the inside out. It works a lot better for me this way, and it helps. Now for each section, guys, I go over 30 times to make sure that my face is drained. This is how much that works for me. You can do as little as much as you need to make sure that you see a difference and your skin draining and healing itself, so you can get rid of the toxin that's building up on your face and under your skin. The oils I use also, guys, are great for healing your skin. And after I do all this, guys, the last thing I do is I take that facial towel, I wet it in hot water. I usually do this pretty hot. You can do it as hot or warm as your face can handle it. So don't do it super hot so you don't burn your face or cause any irritation. And I hold it over my face for about 30 seconds. This not only helps to open up my pores, but it also helps to pull out all the dirt and toxin into those pores out and help my skin to breathe. This is kind of the same thing as steaming your face with the little steamer. This is my short way of doing it when I do a facial massage, and it works great, guys. And after this, I just wipe my face because I want to take out the excess oil and any toxin that might have come out of those pores. And guys, that's it. My face is clean, it's healthy. I absolutely love doing this. It's a great way to relax and just feel better at the end of the day, especially when you've had a particularly stressful week. It just works so well to heal your skin and keep it healthy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, click the little notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave all of your comments down below, guys, and go over and watch my last video.